Morning. Another day, another soy. So today's video, I'm going to go down soy 13, which is right next to my hotel, the Hyatt Regency. So there's a heap of nice restaurants down here and a good choice of hotels as well. So as well as my hotel, there's another 5-star hotel, the Sofitel, which is right there. You see right in the distance. And there's some cheaper hotels down soy 13. So Hyatt Regency, you're looking at about 7,000 Thai baht a night. It's about $300. That's about average price. You will see it cheaper in the low season. You will see it more expensive in the high season. Sofitel, which is right there. I'll show you at the front. So the Sofitel, I've seen a deal at the moment in low seasons of 5,872. So it's about $253. Normally it goes for over 8,000, so more than 345. I have seen the Hyatt go for about 220 Australian dollars, but generally it's about 7,000 Thai baht or about 300. So Sofitel, there's actually a nice rooftop bar at the top called Belgo. It's only small, and the swimming pool, I think it's on level 10 or 12. I can see it from my hotel. It looks rather nice. Back to the start of soy 13, so right on the corner is Margarita Storm. So this is a Mexican restaurant that's open 24 hours a day. I've been there once. I had some lovely tacos, some beef tacos, which were very spicy. You get lots of Mexicans, fajitas, you also get burgers, they do pizza 24 hours a day, and there's a nice little balcony. You sit out the front here. Some TV screens, they'll show some sports, or a TV screen. But it's nice just to sit there and watch the traffic go along Sukhumviut Road. A couple of Thai massage places. This restaurant here, Thai seafood, Bangladesh and Indian food. I have never seen anyone eat in there. It's been here for years, but every time I walk past, it is deserted. I don't know how that one survives. There's a little laundry. I'm sure it's cheap. I'll show you my favorite laundry down there. All right, Miami Hotel. Miami Hotel goes for 1,521 per night. So it's about 65 Australian dollars. Just at the bottom there, there's a 7-Eleven that's open 24 hours a day, which is very convenient. The entrance of the Hyatt is right there, so I just have to walk from here to there to buy my chocolate or my ice cream. Always some good, cheap Thai street food. And some lottery tickets. Fresh fruit. There's a sports bar there. I've never been in there. It looks a bit quiet. There's a better sports bar down there called the Sportsman Piri Flaming Chicken. Now for a good English breakfast, I highly recommend the Red Lion. So that's a British pub there. They have lots of TV showing live sports. And they have a Baht Buster breakfast for 129 baht. I think I paid a little bit extra for a full English breakfast. It was pretty good. There you go, they got the MotoGP on. Happy hour price, small bottle of beer, 90 baht. It's okay. Most beer bars are selling them for about 100 baht. There's breakers. Well, I don't understand. There's breakers are there, and there was a breakers there. Just on the other side of this Thai massage, there's my laundry. So laundry, dry cleaning. They also is a salon. You can get a haircut there. They charge 120 baht for 1 kilo of laundry. I got 6 t-shirts and 6 pair of boxer shorts, 2 kilos for 240 baht. So it was just under $10. If I had it done in my hotel, it would have cost 120 baht just for 1 pair of underwear, or 200 baht for 1 t-shirt. So my 6 t-shirts and 6 boxers would have cost 1,120 baht, which is about 44 Australian dollars. So what do you want to pay, $10 or $44? I don't know which one I would prefer to pay. That's the back of the Ambassador Hotel, which is actually on Soi 11. There's a little shortcut. If you go down there, it'll take you to Soi 11. Now on Soi 11, there's an old German beer house. This is the second one here. And this one seems to be more popular. It's only about 10 AM. So there's a few people in there having breakfast. But good German food. And they also show the Formula One. It's not known as a sports bar, but for some reason they show the Formula One. And I think this is one of the best sports bars in Bangkok, the Sportsman. I've been in here one time. They've got TV screens everywhere. They also do a very good English breakfast. More expensive than the British pub down the road. You'll see all the different, they do UFC, European football, Premier League, NBA, NHL, NRL, AFL, and they serve cheesecake. Daily specials for food, Indian curry, Scotch egg, ham, cheese, bonus buffalo chicken, and another 7-Eleven just in case you needed some munchies. It thins out a little bit here, not so many restaurants. Saying that, there's an Indian restaurant just there, Indian street food. So there's a couple of hotels which I'll show you here. I'll show you another shortcut to get down to Soi 11. I was raising my hand and that taxi driver thought I was flagging him down. So Citrus, there's a hotel there. So it's 1,563 per night, about 63 Australian dollars. So you get some good cheap hotels down this end. Urban wine shop. Sukhumviut, you can buy everything. The wine is going to be expensive because it's all imported, but if you want it, you can buy it in Sukhumviut. There's a Korean restaurant up there. I have no idea what the name of it is. Just a little bit further on is the Radison Suites. Radison, so that's the Radison Suites there. There's a Punjab grill at the bottom. So many Indian restaurants in Bangkok. So the Radison Hotel, or Radison Suites, 3,187 baht per night. It's about 137 Australian dollars. Alright, one last hotel. Now I don't know if you can get to the canal at the end of this street. I think you need to turn left. Then there's a little soi that takes you down to the canal. Or you can go right here and go to Soi 15. It'll take you down the canal. And Soi 15 will take you to the ferry port where you can get on the boat. And you can go down the river or the canal. Everywhere you go, you can get restaurants. Now, what is that? Thai seafood, open 24 hours a day. There we go. Some shark. Sea urchin. Larry the lobby. 390 for 100 grams. There's some big prawns over there. Flathead fish, grouper. Never been a fan of grouper. A little bit too soft and squishy. So 24 hours a day if you want some fresh Thai seafood. This is why I like to get out and about and explore. There's a couple of restaurants that are in there. Monkey Pod Garden Tapas Bar. And there's another one that's just opened here, 9th of July 2024, Blue Elephant Thai Heritage Cuisine. There used to be a famous restaurant over in Saturn called, I think it was called Blue Elephant. It looks like it's an old Thai house. This is the little shortcut, take you to Soi 11. If you go down there, Soi 11 is just there. Alright, Citychic. This is the cheapest on the street, 1,310 baht per night. So about 56 Australian dollars. So you'll find that is probably the cheapest in this area. I think there was another one on Soi 11 about the $50 mark. I think it was 52, 53. So that one is 56. So definitely the cheapest on Soi 13. Probably around the cheapest around this area. This is the end of the road, or the end of the soi, and there is no access to the canal. There's a private house here, new development. So if you want to get to the canal, you go down soi 11 or down soi 15. So not only is this the end of the soi, it is the end of the video. So there's a bunch right down the end or the front of soi 13, lots of restaurants, a couple good hotels to choose from. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it has been helpful to you. Stay tuned, more videos coming soon.